You know what? I love AI coding agents. There, I said it. But I refuse to keep paying for cloud tokens. So I finally got the Continue extension working entirely locally. I patched it right through to the Proxmox server in the garage. The brain of this operation is an old i7 workhorse with a GTX 1650 Super, which is only 4 gigs of VRAM, but it runs a dedicated Gemma 4 E2B container. No latency, no subscriptions, just raw local power, even though the VRAM's a bit low. The mission was simple. Build a PHP time difference calculator for my site. I fed it the prompt, and honestly, it crushed it. It gave me a clean script using datetime objects for the math, and when I told it to wrap it in a UI, it generated a perfectly formatted HTML box, all generated locally. But then I got greedy. I asked for a multi-step update. I said add a clock emoji to the title, switch the text boxes to drop-downs, and move the result text to the top of the page. Context collapse. I tried to do way too much at once, and on that 4 gig card, it just lost track of the file structure and started hallucinating a completely separate process PHP file instead of updating the single file we were actually working on. So this is where the local agent started to sweat. But up to that point, it was pretty good. Anyway, here's the pro tip when running smaller local models. You must hit Control-Enter to force the active file into the context window, otherwise the agent is flying completely blind. Gemma 4 is awesome for atomic single-task coding on budget hardware, but if you want to do massive UI refactors, keep your prompt small and surgical.